Good morning, this is Melinda, and today I'm going to do the unboxing of the paper pumpkin for February of 2017. This is a subscription box that is all about crafting in a box. Everything you need to finish the project is in this box, and right now it is $19.95 a month. And that includes shipping. So let's dive into the paper pumpkin. So this is my first subscription to Paper Pumpkin. In your first box you get a welcome letter, and it tells you about Paper Pumpkin. And you will get a acrylic block. This is their size D acrylic block, and it will allow you to use every single stamp that is in Paper Pumpkin, and that's why they give you this size. So this month, and also you will get a stamp set unique to that month. This one, I don't know if you can see it, this one is about birthdays. So it says happy to you, birthday, come celebrate with me, to you, pull, because this is a pull card, I guess. And there's a stamp set, and this stamp set that comes in the Paper Pumpkin is exclusive to Paper Pumpkin. You can only get this stamp set if you subscribe to this box. Alright, and so now usually there's some type of ink. We got Island, Indigo, and Flirty Flamingo are our inks. And let's see the project. Alright, so here is the project. It all comes together sealed. This top portion is the instructions on how to complete the project or projects. And then as you can see, everything's in here. So let's open it and do one of the cards. I was like, okay, maybe. So they give you little glue dots. And it looks like it's all the same card in different colors, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cards that you get. So here's the instructions on how to complete it. You open it, and here is a guide. Always comes with the cardboard. Alright, so here's our product. We have envelopes to send out our cards. This is probably the pull tab. There's a little notch. I don't know if you want to have it as invitations, you can. It's a party. The card base, and these are little flames. Alright, so we're going to do one, so I'm going to leave one little flame out. I will just pull the top color, because it comes in 3 different colors. The navy, Flirty Flamingo, and I'm not sure which color that looks like. Mint macro. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to put that to the side. Get out our little directions. Okay, so it says fold, score lines, card base. Alright, well here's our card base. And our score lines are right here. I'm going to get out my bone folder. Help adhere that. And then there's score lines right here. And there's one score line right here. then it says to peel adhesive backing from the card pocket. Here's adhesive backing. So it already comes with adhesive on it. That's nice. Don't even have to worry about having that. And then it says center and attach candle. Center and attach. There it is. Seal card shut with the short side overlapping the long side. And when they mean the short side, this is the short side, overlaps this long side. So seal, seal, seal. Alright, wow. That's nice and easy. Insert card base into envelope all the way, stamp inside the window. Okay, so here's the card base. Put it in. And they're stamping happy in the window. So I'm going to get my little block that they gave me. Find my happy right here. And they don't say what color, so you can probably do any color you want. I'm going to do the Island Indigo to match the blue. Maybe if I can get it open. Well, there's no maybe. I will get it open. I am just cutting a little sticker portion that attaches it. Okay, and bring in the stamp. Because this is a little tiny spot, I'm just going to bring it to the ink to the stamp. And you could pick the Flirty Flamingo. I just picked the blue. It says stamp inside the window. Happy, yay! I'm going to clean off my stamp. Put that back, and then it says pull, where's my happy, there it is. Pull the insert and finish stamping, insert gift card or invite to stamping envelope. So you pull the insert out. Now when they go to pull it out, this is the window, so when they pull it out, they're gonna see it this way. So anything you want to say, you have to stamp it backwards so they see it as it's pulling out. And then the gift card, there's a little notch right here and a little notch right here. So you can do a gift card for like a birthday, or if you want to do this as an invite, they have these little inserts on the information of the party that can go in here. And let's finish the stamping real quick. I'm gonna alternate the colors so we can see what the colors look like for this one. Maybe. Flirty Flamingo. So I'm gonna say happy birthday. The birthday right on. Make sure it's semi-straight. I'm going to bring the ink to the birthday because the ink is so small. Ink her up. Okay. So you can see this. Happy birthday. Wipe off that. And I guess I could leave it as just happy birthday. But they also have a couple different sayings on here. I think I'll also do the to you. show you? And I'm going to alternate the inks again. There we go. Wiping off the stamp, put the block aside. And here we have a birthday card. Happy birthday to you. And there is the paper pumpkin unboxing for February. Thank you for watching.